Unlinking your American Express card from GCash, a mobile wallet app, can be done in a few simple steps. Here's how. Open GCash app. Launch the GCash mobile app on your smartphone. Access linked accounts. Navigate to the settings or profile section within the GCash app. Look for the option to manage linked accounts or payment methods. Select American Express. Locate the American Express card that you want to unlink from GCash. Tap on it to view the details and options associated with the card. Unlink or remove. Look for the option to unlink or remove the American Express card from your GCash account. This option may be labeled differently depending on the app version, but typically involves selecting Unlink or Remove. Confirm action. Confirm your decision to unlink the American Express card from GCash. Follow any additional prompts or verification steps required to complete the process. Verification. Depending on the security measures in place, you may need to authenticate the unlinking process using your GCash PIN or other security credentials. Confirmation. Once the American Express card is successfully unlinked from GCash, you should receive confirmation on the app screen.